I am going to be directing you throughout this video. I will be up here in the corner and I will be talking as I go through the video. I want this to be as easy as possible. It definitely is easy, but there is some things that you do not have to do, and I will let you know that in the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel yet again. If you're new, my name is Keona Janae, the dopest YouTuber in 2020, period, okay? And before we get into this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today's video is going to be a DIY video. I know I haven't did one in a super long time, but I'm back with the DIYs. I will have more videos to come very soon. I'm not gonna lie, this one was an epic fail, but the results came out beautifully, so I'm not even mad at it. It's good enough to wear out, so as long as I can wear it out and I didn't waste my money, then it is good. Before we get into this video, I just want to go over a few things regarding my channel. My channel will be mainly focusing on my business, fashion, and lifestyle. Lifestyle includes vlogs. I want to do more vlogs so you guys can get to know me. I know I haven't been so interactive with you guys, and I know I haven't been consistent. I do apologize for that. I keep saying that I'm going to be on here, I'm going to be doing it, you know, whatever, but I'm so serious this time, like serious, like dead serious. So yeah, I am finally out of school, so pretty much that is one thing that's not in my way. And I got all the time in the world at this point in life, so I'm gonna be on here all the time. I do want to try, like I'm telling you guys, I'm going to try to post weekly. That's the best that I can do. That's what I can promise. I can promise you that I will be making videos weekly, whether it is just a simple vlog or a DIY or a get ready with me or a haul. Sometimes I will be doing makeup. Sometimes I will be doing vlogs, like I said. Sometimes I might be showing you guys what I eat. I also want to start incorporating food videos. I'm into cooking now and baking, so I want to incorporate doing food. I also have a couples channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. It is called Keys and Key TV. We will be posting, trying to post weekly, but I don't think that's going to work because we don't live together, so it's a little hard to do that. So what we promised was at least to post once a month. That's starting out because we're trying to get on the swing of things. Like I told you guys, I was in school, so that was a little tricky, but now I am back home, so it'll be easier for us to do videos, and it'll be just, you know, easy in general. And now I got so much time. Oh my gosh, I got time. So I got so much time to be doing DIYs. I love DIYs. Clearly you guys love it because that video was getting a lot of views. I didn't expect it to get that many views, so yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I told you, it was an epic fail, and I am going to be directing you throughout this video. I will be up here in the corner and I will be talking as I go through the video. I want this to be as easy as possible. It definitely is easy, but there is some things that you do not have to do, and I will let you know that in the video. One more thing. As you guys know, I do have a business now called House of Glam by Key. Do not forget to shop my website. I sell things from lashes to lip gloss to accessories to sunglasses, and now I finally sell apparel. Follow my Instagram page, which is House of Glam by Key, and shop my website. But yeah, if you guys want to know what I have on my lips, is definitely my new gloss, which is Rose. She's a nice pink. And what I have on my lashes is our lash. This is a 3D lash, and it is Fantasy Lash. But you can't tell, but I am wearing my mist spray. I use it as a setting. I use it as a setting spray, so that is on my face and it will keep you matte, okay? So yeah, without further ado, you guys, I'm sorry for talking. This video is going to be super quick and easy. That's why I'm talking so long in the beginning. You can just go on through. If you listened to everything that I said, I thank you very much for listening. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So pretty much the first thing that I did with this t-shirt was to measure it out. So the first thing you want to do is try on the shirt and make sure you're not cutting too high up so it'll expose your boobs. You don't want that, okay? So you make sure that you try it on, mark it. I advise you to mark it with something that is washable. I personally just use the Sharpie because I don't even know why I use the Sharpie, don't ask me. But I definitely used a Sharpie to do this. It worked. It didn't stain anything, and the parts that I did cut off where the Sharpie didn't show on it, so it was okay. So yeah, the first thing you're going to do is cut the bottom of the shirt. You want to cut it and measure it and make sure that it's not too long and it's not too short. The length is dependent on you. You can choose whatever length that you want. If you want a little boob cleavage out, do you. If you want to do it a little lower, do you. I personally like it in my mid waist, covering a little bit of my stomach and, you know, showing a little bit too. So after that, what I did, which you guys do not have to do, I was just being extra because I wanted to use my sewing machine. So pretty much I did sew up all the outer portions of this shirt that I did cut, which is the bottom part and the middle part. As you can see in the video, this is literally my first DIY using this sewing machine. This is not my first time using the sewing machine, but it is my first time actually creating something with the sewing machine. I actually wanted to use eyelets for this project. Come to find out, the thing was garbage. I did buy this on Amazon. I will be showing you what seller that I bought it from. I'm gonna put them on blast because what? It was pretty much an epic fail. So as you can see, I am cutting holes in the shirt so I can put the eyelids. I actually tried to use the eyelid tool to punch holes in it. It did not work. Something in my mind told me to use a paper hole puncher. What? I don't know why I did that, y'all. I did that. I really thought that that was gonna work. I really did. I don't know why I thought this was gonna work. I don't know why. Plus, so after I still attempted to use the freaking eyelids, grommets, whatever, when I tried to use it, it did not work. So I came up with the idea. I was like, you know what? Let's see how it looks with the holes already in it, but just put the safety pins through the holes. And come to find out, it was a yes. It was a go. I was so scared. At first, I was like, this is an epic fail. But once I put it on, it looked bomb. So this is how it looks. It looks so good, and these holes, I thought they were gonna look raggedy because they were pretty raggedy when I cut it. But it's actually very good. It's pulling, so you can't really tell if it, you know, if the holes are raggedy, but it is really cute. It's not too much showing. It's cute for the summer. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in this shirt, I'm actually thinking about selling it, so look out for that. So do not forget to follow my Instagram page so you can know whenever I post new things, and do not forget to put on the post notifications whether I post on Instagram and on YouTube. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.